Hi guys, how is everyone doing today? I am recording this at night, so I'm kind of trying to be quiet. And I just kind of want to go on a little bit of a vent session. So I'm kind of frustrated because I am here at the Beet Harvest and we have not started working yet. I'm frustrated about this because I feel like they were not upfront with me, considering, I was under the impression that we were going to start working right away, and that has not happened. My training was a couple days ago. After the training, they said, we have no idea when the beet harvest is actually going to start. What? What do you mean? They said, but you can start coming in probably Monday and start doing 4-hour shifts to just start making money until the harvest actually starts. So, okay. But then after my training was done, one of the guys on my team said, hey, so we're coming in on Monday, right? And they're like, oh, you gotta wait till you get a text message from one of the higher ups that work in the office to actually confirm if you can even do that. So, I heard that people left the beet harvest. I just didn't really know why, and the people that work in the office weren't telling me anything. They just said, oh, those people are just underprepared with their clothing and stuff like that. They're not really prepared to be working out in the elements. Well, it's so much more than that, because all the videos that I was looking up about the beet harvest, and that's another reason why I'm doing this video, is that a lot of the information that I was finding was just strictly the positives. It was like, oh, this is why we're coming back next year. This is how much money you're gonna make, and this and this and this. But the thing is, every single piling site is different. There are several beet harvest locations spread across 3 or 4 different states. So it just all depends. It totally is dependent on which location you're at. They also told me I was going to be working 12-hour days so that after a few days I would start accumulating overtime, and I would really start I would make a large amount of money in that time. So when I found out we were only working 9-hour days, I was just like, well, I don't mind, but just kind of, why did no one tell me this? Like, why? I just feel like information is being withheld. And I started digging a little deeper, because I'm just sitting around here doing nothing for days on end with no idea when I'm gonna start work, and I'm spending gas, I'm still spending money on food. So, it's just frustrating. So I just recently watched a video on YouTube about some negatives on the beet harvest, and this couple was doing van life, and was not doing van life, that sounded dumb. They were traveling, exploring, living out of their van, and they came to do the beet harvest. So they were put up in this RV park. This was in Sydney, Montana. And they were just getting so bored. And the guy said, we've been waiting here for a week straight, and they still have no idea when work is gonna start. So I was reading in the comments that they ended up staying for a month and then they left. And I think the guy said he only made $1,000. One month, $1,000 in one month. Yeah, I don't know. So I told you that I was gonna, you know, be very honest, and that I was gonna make these videos to give you updates. And I was planning on doing a video Monday when I was gonna do my first day of work, but I don't even know if that's gonna happen now. So I'm just venting. I'm frustrated. I don't know if I made the right decision, and I feel bad because I'm pushing this information out like, oh, you guys should do the beet harvest. And I do think it's, you know, potentially a good thing based on you know, some people have good experiences, some people have bad experiences. I'm just sharing my perspective of what's going on currently right now. So yeah, so I'm a little frustrated, but I wish I found a video like this before I came here. And just to let you know, the piling site is Sandusky, Michigan. So I don't know what to do, you know. I think it's a good opportunity if you have a good amount of savings, and if you know, like, if you just know ahead of time that the date that you will actually start the harvest is kind of an unknown thing. So they just didn't tell me any of that, and that's what's frustrating. I'm the type of person that, like, I don't care if it's bad news, like, whatever, just be bluntly honest with me, you know? So that's all I have right now. And, you know, I was gonna just keep this to making one video a week, but I'm just gonna keep uploading as much as I feel necessary to keep the updates going on this beet harvest and what I really think and what I'm gonna do. So I'm still kind of waiting. I'm not sure what I'm gonna do yet, but sorry, I have my headphone in. Because I am trying to be quiet, so I'm just trying to use that as my microphone. But yeah, I just, you know, I want to be as open and honest as possible so you guys know what to expect. And as of right now, they don't know when the harvest is gonna start. And you know, I also had to spend a good amount of money fixing my car up on the way here that I wasn't planning on spending. So before I came, I did have a good chunk of my savings, but then, like, you always have to account for, like, is something unexpected gonna happen with your car? You just never know. So now I'm just like, okay, like, if this thing is not gonna get started and I'm not gonna be starting work like very soon, I need to get out of here. Like, that's just the reality of it. And it's not a bad thing. Like, I don't mind. I totally don't mind. You know, get on the road, go see my dad, go do whatever, but go somewhere that I can start making money because yeah, I just don't know. So I'll keep you guys updated. Sorry that this was kind of a more negative video because I really, really love spreading positivity, and I just love inspiring and motivating people. But at the same time, I feel like it's my responsibility to also give you the truth and the realness of the situation. So yeah, guys, so thank you so much, and I will keep you updated on how things are going, and I will probably upload another video Monday. So until then, stay well, stay blessed, stay healthy, stay beautiful, and I will catch you in the next video.